transfer money direct to each other. Peer-to-peer system, no central account. It will not collect your money. MMM is global and widespread. It has 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and 14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of the people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. MMM use Bitcoin. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency created and held electronically. No one controls it. Bitcoin are not printed like dollars or peso. They are produced by lots of people running computers all around the world, using software that solve mathematical problem. It's the first example of growing category of money known as cryptocurrency. What makes it different from normal currency? Bitcoin can be used to buy things electronically. In that sense, it's conventional, dollars, euros, or peso, which are also traded digitally. However, Bitcoin most important characteristic, and the thing that makes it different conventional to money, is that it is decentralized. No one institutions control the Bitcoin network. This puts some people at ease because it means that a large bank can control their money. Sergey Mavroди, founder of MMM, Russian mathematician, developed a Russian computer operating system, owner of Russian computer manufacturing company. Sergey Mavroди was born in 1955 in Moscow, in a simple Soviet middle-class family of a worker and an economist. From his father of Ukrainian and Greek origin was left memorable surname Mavroди. Since high school, the young man showed great talent in the exact science, was the winner of numerous physical and mathematical Olympiad. The system even led lesson on behalf of his teacher. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not only one. Sergey Mavroди, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part development of the first operating system. The company he found was one of the leading computer equipment distributor in Russia. He was the deputy of Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they sold in bookstores, and 2 of his screenplay were made into movies. His poems were turned into song. MMM advantages: 30% per month for your provide help every time you provide. 10% referral bonus for help made by the people you invite to MMM every time they provide. Your friend, relative, acquaintance. 20% $20 bonus, $50 bonus, and 100% bonus for their first help. 5% bonus for video after get help every time they make a video. A lot of bonuses from MMM team. Passive reward bonus. Mavro amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday. This sum of Mavro show how much you can request yourself. MMM is not business, investment, networking, multi-level, or high-yield investment program. What you need to know, how it works. When you provide help, the MMM system may assign you to one or many recipients. For example, you provide help a 1,000 pesos. The MMM system may assign you one who are getting help 1,000 pesos. When you provide help, you get 30% reward bonus every month. Your 1,000 will become 1,300. How it works when you get help. The MMM system may assign you one or too many donors to send you money. You have 1,300. You get help. The system may assign you Joey, who will provide 300 pesos, Vic, who will provide 500 pesos, Tito, who will provide 500, and you will get 1,300. Manager's Bonus. Managers of the MMM community that can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus every each donation of every participant in their structure make. This multi-level bonus thus a manager can his own leader whose rank is higher manager's bonus depend of his level on the community. Manager's bonus 5% from the second level, 3% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, 0.5% from the fifth level, 0.3% from the sixth level, 0.1% from the seventh level, 0.05% from the eighth level, and 0.03% from the ninth level, and 0.10% from the 10th level to infinity. Reminder, MMM does not a quick rich scheme, promote greediness, high yield investment program, common and ramp hypes in the internet. In fact, MMM teaches and promotes love with charity, peace with joy, trust with honesty, global community, communicate with unity. New generation, fair financial system. For more information, just add me on Facebook, Leonel Bernabe, or text me at 0942-559-6787. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Sir G. Mabrodi. Together, we can change the world.